Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to prepare healthy burger. To prepare this burger, we need these ingredients whatever I kept here. We have to prepare this burger in 3 to 4 major steps. We are going to tell first, we have to think how to make the patties. To make patties, we need 3 to 4 mashed boiled potato. Some of the spices in that I kept here, everything is half tablespoon pepper powder, chili powder, garam masala, jeera powder, and all the vegetables here. 2 spoon coriander, fresh coriander leaves, 2 green chili, chopped green chilies, 1 long grated carrot, 1 medium size chopped onion, and 2 or 3 spoonful fresh spring onion. For making crispy patties, we have to prepare the batter. To prepare batter, we want 2 spoonful besan, gram flour, 2 spoonful maida, all-purpose flour, 2 spoonful rice flour, and 2 tablespoon corn flour. I kept here 2 big spoonful. You just check and you mix. And after coating that, we have to coat patties with the breadcrumbs and rava, suji. For filling and topping, we need sliced tomato. So I kept here 1 big sliced tomato, 1 cucumber sliced, red bell pepper, lettuce, and onion. Even for dressing, we need mayonnaise, cheese, homemade chili sauce, and homemade tomato sauce. You can use whatever you purchase from the market. For making patties, already I described. First steps we have to follow, and we mix all the ingredients in mashed potato. All the chopped onions, spring onion, carrot, green chili, fresh coriander leaves, everything we will mix in this. And we should not forget to mix salt according to your taste. Even pinch of pepper powder if you like to eat spicy. We have to mix nicely this. We mix proper way, each and every spice and all the ingredients will mix well. Now for 2 minutes we will keep aside this, and I wanted to show you the batter. Already I have described. For second step I have to prepare the batter. This batter is made up of 2 spoonful corn flour, 2 spoonful besan, gram flour, 2 spoonful maida, and 2 spoonful corn flour. According to the taste, I have used here salt, chili powder, now according to our burger bun shape, we have to flatten, and the same shape we have to prepare the patty. Actually I am preparing here 2 burger bun, healthy burger bun. Already I have introduced with that. So I have prepared here 2 patties for that. If you want, you can measure the size according to your burger. If not, you check and do. Now both the patties we have to dip in our batter. has to be overlapped nicely. It has to be coated nicely. After this, I have to put this, we have to keep nicely, we have to coat with the breadcrumbs. Now we'll give 2 to 3 tablespoons oil in frying pan. You can use frying pan, you can use any vessels. If you want, you can shallow fry or you can deep fry. When oil becomes medium hot, then we will keep our veg patty. Already I have discussed, I told that I have to dip my patties in batter. Afterwards we have to coat with the breadcrumbs and suji. Now coating over, we will keep here slowly. If you feel it is not or it will be soft, then you can place or you can coat twice in the batter as well as your breadcrumbs and rava. Now let it for some time. Afterwards we have to flip this and we have to roast this one from both the sides in the golden color. When it turns golden brown, we will remove from here. Now we will see how one-sided has become golden brown, and we will wait for some time for the next side. Patties are already ready. Now we will roast. Now patties are ready. We have to slightly roast our bun. Then it becomes more crispy and tasty. Our dressing sauce is ready now. I mix with mayonnaise, cheese and pepper powder. Now I have to spread this one on the roasted bun. We have to coat this nicely. We have to place lettuce, on that we have to keep our ready veg patty. Next we keep our green vegetables, cucumber, onion, tomato and red bell pepper. Next, other half of the bun we have to apply on this tomato sauce and chili sauce. After spreading this, we have to cover on the top of the half of the bun. Finally, our healthy greenery veggie burger is ready to eat. Must try it at home. Enjoy with homemade green chili sauce and tomato sauce. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. For more recipes, kindly comment below. Thank you.